Looking for a sweet and refreshing treat for this Christmas? Allow me to unveil the magic of creating the perfect festive peppermint bark, a delightful concoction to light up your holiday spirit. Well, you're in the right place because today we're making festive peppermint bark. First, gather all the ingredients you need. We'll use 12 ounces of white chocolate, 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate, half a teaspoon of peppermint extract, and half a cup of crushed peppermints. Remember, quality ingredients make the best peppermint bark. Now that we have all the ingredients, we can start the fun part, cooking. Begin by melting the semi-sweet chocolate. It's a delicate process, so go slow. Use a double boiler, or if you're improvising, a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Once it's smooth and glossy, add in the peppermint extract. This is what gives our bark its festive kick. Stir it well, and then it's time to spread it out. Pour the chocolate onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Use a spatula to spread it evenly, but not too thin. Then it's off to the refrigerator to chill. While it's chilling, we melt the white chocolate. Same process, different color. Once that's done, pour it over the semi-sweet layer, spreading it just like before. To finish, generously sprinkle crushed peppermints on top. And now all that's left is to let it cool and harden. Once it's hardened, break it into pieces and it's ready to serve. Picture this delight gracing your holiday parties or wrapped up as a thoughtful gift. It's the perfect partner for a cozy cup of hot chocolate or coffee. And there you have it, a sweet and refreshing festive peppermint bark. So there you have it, a simple yet delightful treat for the holiday season. The festive peppermint bark we've prepared not only tastes divine, but also adds a touch of joy to your Christmas feast. It's easy to make, fun to share, and a surefire way to spread holiday cheer. So why not give it a whirl at home? Share your culinary journey, your triumphs, and even your merry mishaps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking and Merry Christmas!